How to get to network settings on Toshiba TV. How to get to network settings on Toshiba TV. Step 1. Turn on your Toshiba TV. Step 2. Press the menu or home button on your remote control to open the main menu. Step 3. Navigate to the settings option using the arrow keys on your remote and press OK or Enter. Step 4. In the settings menu, locate and select Network or Network Setup. How to get to network settings on Toshiba TV. Step 5. Choose Network Type and select Wireless Device or Wi-Fi to access the wireless settings. Step 6. Your TV will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Once the list appears, select your desired network. Step 7. If prompted, enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard, then confirm to connect. Once connected, your Toshiba TV will display a confirmation message, and you all have access to online features and streaming services.